In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade a champion on the TFT or the Teamfight tactics. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your TFT games if it's already downloaded into your PC. If it's already downloaded, that will be great. You can just go and open it through your Riot client. If it's not downloaded, you will have to go, of course, the Riot client. You'll have to go and download it through whatever browser you're using. As an example, here I'm using Brave. You can just go and open your Brave, and once it's opened, of course, just go and type download Riot client here in the URL section. Hit the enter button. Go into the first link and of course start downloading the Riot client. Once it's downloaded, install it and open it up with the regular way, of course, like that, or you can just go and open it from your desktop. Once it's opened, you'll find yourself here with this home screen or this main screen. Here, of course, you'll find the games that you already downloaded into your PC or it's already downloaded, of course, as I said. And if you don't have the Teamfight Tactics or the TFT, you'll have to scroll down a bit until it's all games, and you'll find the TFT here. Make sure to click on it, and here you'll find the install button. For me, it's play because it's already downloaded. Of course, I can play it in League of Legends in PC, and even if you want to play it on your phone, that will be available on the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or even Google Play if you're using an Android. Once you download it, you'll be able to go back here into your games and open it from here. Of course, now you'd like to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. And of course, once you logged in into your account, you'll have to go and find a game for yourself. Once you find your game, you'll find yourself in a game, maybe like this. Of course, you'll find people with you. For me, I'm just playing the PvE, so I'm playing alone. So here, as we said, we would like to upgrade the champion on the game. So as you can see, every one of those champions is actually 1 star. So if we want to upgrade this into 2 star, we will have to collect 3 champion of the same champion 3 times. So let me just pass this side of the game, and let's just wait in this counter until it's finished. And here, let's just take this Draven as an example. So we have 2 here. If you found the 3rd in the shop, we'll be able to upgrade it into 2 star. So let's just look for it here. Let me look for it and I'm coming back. So as you can see here, I found it in the shop. And now once I buy it, as you can see, now I have 3 Dravens. And that upgraded my champion into 2 stars. Of course, if you have 3 of 2 stars Draven, that will upgrade it into 3 stars. And that is the maximum level. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.